Now he added my project, so you should have here 3 projects, again the application, the bootloader and the external loader. The first I will add the GPIO toggling into my application, why not, to not forget on this. So I will put here the HL underscore GPIO underscore toggle pin and GPIO-D GPIO underscore pin underscore 13 and HL delay to see the toggling, otherwise it will be almost not visible. The second thing which I need to do, because before he knew which memory we are using, so he selected for us the correct linker. Now he don't know, so you see that we have a default linker which is probably linked into the flash, so we need to change the linker file, and we will select here the linker file which is for the XSPI that the data are inside the ROM. So this one, apply, rebuild index, yes, and this is all for our application. This should be now done.